So if you don't know, I'm Maddie. I just spent a week up in Alaska. I'm a photographer and I have some family up there, so I spent a week up there with my family and did a couple photo shoots while I was up there. And I have a pair of like the Extra Tough booties, but while I was up there, I was eyeing these beautiful Fireweed Extra Tough, and my family member surprised me and sent them to me. So I thought I would do a little unboxing with you and show you what I got. And do this. What do you think, Ken? Okay. Immediately beautiful. I'll show you what they look like regular, and then I'll fold them down and show you the pretty inside. Immediately, love that. If you can't tell, I'm a pink girly. They're a little bit tight with sweatpants. So this is what they look like folded down. How freaking cute are they? I'm so stoked on these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'll get closer, don't worry. So freaking cute. I'm literally so grateful. And I'm stoked to wear these out tide pooling, and I think this means I need to get another Alaska trip on the books. So if you're looking for an elopement or engagement photographer up in Juneau, Alaska, let me know. I'd love to make another trip up there.